everyone, and welcome to Calm Creations Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today this video is going to be a little bit different. So I'm a part of a Facebook group that does junk journal swaps, and I signed up for the, I think it was April free swap. So they have lots of swaps that go on throughout the month, each month. And the free swap is where you can make anything. You've got no prompt to follow. You can just make whatever you like for your swap partner, and then you're allocated a partner, and you can converse with them as to what theme, etc. So the free one I thought would be a good one to join, and I did, and I got my swap partner, and it is my dear friend Anne, and so we've been talking back and forth. We've been friends for years and years and years and years, and she asked what I would like, and I said I'm happy with whatever you decide to make, and she said, well, do you have any themes in mind? And I said, well, we could do, I would like coffee themed or Outlander themed. And so I didn't know which one she was going to go with, and my parcel arrived yesterday, but I just wanted to show you this, how she's done the envelope. So it's all washi tape around the edge, which I thought was pretty cool. So I'm going to show you what Anne sent me, and I'm going to show you my Outlander journal. So this is the journal that I'm making. Got a little container here with all my bits, some bits in it. Let me move that now. Put that down there. So I'll show you, hang on, we'll put together how the cover is going to look. Get off there. Right. So this is going to be on the cover. Let me just turn that off. It's buzzing and beeping, and how do I do that? There we go. So this is going to be the cover. That's going to be stuck over there. This picture was on the front of the book. So I've got probably 3 or 4 copies of the book, because they were released in all different ways. It's hard to explain. So there was an international version, and then maybe not a local version, but and this was the original Outlander cover. And so the copy of that book that I got was very old and worn, and I got it from the op shop. So this is the book that I'm going to be using throughout the journal, just for backing things and things like that. So that is going to go there, and then I've got a Tim Holtz key, which I'm going to be hanging from, I can take that off now so you get the idea of that, off the spine down here with other bits and pieces, and that's going to be what I call the key to Lallybrook. Lallybrook is the family land where Jamie's sister Jenny lives, if you haven't seen the show. And if you haven't seen the show, you don't know what you're missing. It's really, really good. So that's going to be my little bit for there. That's that. And then I've been making other bits and pieces to go in my journal. I've got some tabs. I bought a couple of journal kits, digital journal kits from Etsy that are all Outlander. So I've just been going through and making bits and pieces. Those are going to be tags. They've been backed with the Outlander paper from the book. Made some little envelopes. These will all be in my journal. The thistle, that's Claire, that's her wearing her wedding dress. Some other little envelopes I've made and other bits and pieces. So these are all going to be in the journal somewhere. So this is it so far. So we've got the stones at Cragnadoon. That's the first page out of the book. I've just torn it out and inked it. And I'll use that for something. Now these are my 2 signatures. They're not put together completely yet and nothing's been done. So I've just got coffee dyed paper, vellum, pages from the journal kit, and just all sorts of bits and pieces that will eventually be filled up and put together. So that's where I'm up to with that, and then that will be the back cover. So that is that. But what Anne sent me was, whew, so excited, get that out the way, is this little bundle. Now it's a signature to go in my journal with a piece of fabric tied together, and I've got all these little bits of ephemera that she sent, and they're all different to what I've got. So I've got these little stamps. It says Brock postage. And that's Cragnadoon, the stones. Can you see that? But I love how she's done these little stamps. That's Jamie's sister Jenny. Love these. That's Jenny's husband Ian. Claire and Jamie. Claire and Jamie. Oh, well, that's a bit blown out. And then all these other little bits that are going to be perfect to go in there. That's Dougal Mackenzie. There's Claire. Frank. Black Jack Randall. Ugh. Murta. We love Murta. Larry. We don't love Larry. Mrs. Fitzgibbons. And Column. And then lots of other little bits. Look at that. Strapping lad. Okay. All of these bits and pieces to be able to use. Now, take this bit out of there. And so we've got the signature, and then that opens, and we've got the Skyboat song, which we all know and love. And then we open that way, and then there's a wanted poster. That's Murta on the wanted poster. And then in this little pocket we've got a map of the Highlands of Scotland. That goes back in there. And then this comes out, and then we've got a little lift up pocket there. There's Jamie. And then the back pocket, back page. that's that there. And then this part is a pocket, sass neck, and then that's the dragonfly and amber. She was given that as a wedding gift, that piece of amber. We've got a wanted poster, and then we've got a missing poster. So that's those two, and then they tuck in there. I opened this yesterday and oh boy, they go down in there. And then that opens, and look at all this. Portrait. It's a journaling card, and that tucks behind the belly band. And then these little, this is cool, I like this little flip pocket. And we've got all these little, that says, I like that, that says, what if your future was the past? So then we've got these little die cuts, Jamie and Claire, young Ian and Rollo, Murta, Blackjack Randall, Dougal, Jamie, I always forget his name, there's Angus and, I've forgotten his name, Murta again, Blackjack, that's Angus, so Angus and Murta, no, Angus and, what is his name? Anyway, these two are a duo and they get themselves into a whole lot of mischief, and but those are going to be fun to use. So they were in this little pocket. I need to, Angus and Rupert. Rupert is his name. Okay, so they go in there. And there's a newspaper article. And then that opens up. And then we've got a little magnet clip, hidden magnet, so that goes in there. And then this is like a little door hanger. This is cool. Gone to Scotland, be back very soon. Love it. And then, oh, that's stuck on, and then that little pocket. So, and then that closes back like that, and then that goes back in there. So I'm going to have so much fun putting all this together and doing bits on my journal, and I just wanted to show you the amazing swap that I got. So I'm very, very happy with that. Well, that's going to be it for today. I may come back and do a video of decorating a page. We'll see how we go. So, but until next time, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much, and I really, really do love what you've sent, and it will all be put to good use in my journal. So, thank you very much, everyone, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.